My hope, my dream, and everything in between. My God, my King, you are my everything. My hope, my dream, and everything in between.
Oh my goodness, it is off the hook here. There are so many people. There's live music, there's coffee, there's art walls everywhere. This is off the hook. Everything's amazing. People are like family here. I've never been so welcomed by people and loved. You gotta come out. Rock1825.com tells you all about it. This is Revolver here, Milanos, Tuesday night from 7 to 10. It is insane. It is so loud you can barely hear me, I'm sure. But there's people here having a good time, and it's like insane. So you gotta come out and check us out. My name's Brian Moorfield. This is Revolver. Rock1825.com. Much love. Peace out.